Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making classic Japanese miso soup, a simple, everyday comfort food from Japan. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what miso soup is. Miso soup is one of the most iconic dishes in Japanese cuisine. In Japan, a simple meal of miso soup, steamed rice, and a few side dishes has long been part of everyday life. Miso soup, made with miso, a nutrient-rich fermented food, has quietly supported daily health in Japan for generations. Though it may seem simple, miso soup varies from region to region and from household to household. In this recipe, we're sharing one of the most common ways to make miso soup. Alright, let's start cooking. First, we'll prepare the dashi, the foundation of miso soup. For this recipe, we're using kombu and bonito dashi for rich umami. For other dashi options, check the description. Soak the kombu in water for about 30 minutes, then heat it gently over low heat for about 10 minutes. When small bubbles appear at the bottom, remove the kombu before it boils. If it boils, the flavor can be affected, so be careful not to overheat it. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface. Once it comes to a boil, turn off the heat and add the bonito flakes. Let them steep for about 2 minutes until they sink to the bottom. Line a strainer with paper towels and slowly strain the bonito flakes. Do not squeeze them, as this can cloud the dashi and introduce bitterness. The dashi is ready. We'll use it as the base for the miso soup. Pour the dashi into the pot, and once it comes to a gentle boil, add the tofu. Cutting the tofu on your hand helps keep even soft tofu from breaking apart as you add it. Add the wakame. Be careful not to overcook the tofu and wakame, as overcooking can dull their flavor and aroma. Dissolve the miso into the soup. Scoop a little dashi from the pot and dissolve the miso in a ladle or small bowl before adding it back. This helps prevent lumps and lets you add the miso without over-stirring, keeping delicate ingredients like tofu intact. Do not boil after adding the miso, as it can dull the flavor and aroma. It's said that miso soup tastes best when you turn off the heat just as the surface gently trembles after the miso has dissolved.
Itadakimasu.
Miso soup offers endless variations depending on the combination of dashi, miso, and add-ins. For dashi, a kombu and bonito dashi, like the one in this video, is rich in umami. If you prefer a vegan option, kombu-only dashi works well, and for a quicker version, instant dashi is perfectly fine. Miso also comes in many varieties. White miso tends to be milder and often lower in salt with a mellow, rounded flavor. Red miso is usually deeper and more robust, and it can taste saltier. Beyond color, miso varies widely depending on its ingredients and salt level, creating many different flavors and styles. Feel free to customize the add-ins with your favorites or whatever is in season. Let us know your favorite combination of dashi, miso, and add-ins in the comments. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.